The rise of Industry 4.0 is bringing all kinds of engineers into the market. But at AMG, we say that whatever field it may be, being an engineer means being a solution provider. This time, we wanted to reach out to solution providers in various engineering fields. The Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers, or IIEE, launched its 43rd annual national convention at the SMX Convention Center, where they also held the 3E Expo, a specialized electrical, electronics, and energy exposition, drawing tens of thousands of engineering students and professionals from all over the Philippines. With Industry 4.0 in full effect, we programmed SICK vision cameras to showcase their ability to collaborate with automated robots. While these are perfect for pick-and-place applications, the SICK safety laser scanner protects workers from potential collisions with the robot, harnessing infrared light to detect intrusions within the protection zone. The quality inspection system demonstrates identification, optical recognition, and image detection applications with the use of SICK vision cameras and barcode readers. Adjacent to the robot stands a display consisting of print detectors, color sensors, and contrast sensors, reading the prints and details on the surface of a rotating disc. SICK laser measurement scanners provide efficient area monitoring for reliable detection or profiling requirements. In increasingly automated environments, safety and protection are paramount. In response to these needs, SICK Sensor Intelligence presents the Safety Plus portfolio, consisting of safety devices, switches, controllers, and other safe sensor solutions. The level sensor display walks visitors through 6 sensors that make level measurement seem like a piece of cake. Capacitive sensors, ultrasonic sensors, and vibrating forks and rods make for very easy and effective level measurement tools. Smart, efficient, and plug-and-play industrial sensors from SICK are the basic automation unit in factory and logistics automation. No need for eye marks. The markless sensor controls cutting processes via repeating patterns. When in need of rapid identification solutions, the world uses barcode readers from SICK, like this high-speed barcode reader that reads both 1D and 2D codes. The crowds are most definitely excited to see how we pulled off our classic Limbo Rock game, which features SICK measurement light grids for height detection applications. On screen, we showcased its full range capacity to be configured to whatever height classifications you require, all with the help of an easy-to-use software interface from SICK. Visitors who could cross the light grid undetected received limited edition SICK freebies and gift prizes from AMG. With the overwhelming response that we received from our clients and visitors, it was clear that IIEE 2018 was a monumental success. From all of us here at AMG Systemtechnik Inc., we hope that with the help of our exhibit, engineers no longer have to think too far whenever they're in need of intelligent automation solutions. And from one solution provider to another, we can't wait to work with you soon. Have some burning questions or sensor requirements in mind? Send us an email at sales@amgsystemtechnikinc.com, message us on Facebook, or call us at 636-6331.